Assalamu alaikum, how are you traders? I hope you're fine. So today I take some date, okay, because it's Friday. So I take the real asset didn't open yet, so I have to trade on OTC market. So no problem. So yesterday I take this trade. If you are watched my last video, then you can see how I trade this trade, and I make a good revenue from it. Okay. So today I also trade some trade according to my knowledge. Okay, so look at, and I will explain this video why I did this and what the behind the reason on it. Okay, so let's get started. So first I have to see the market where I got a opportunity. So I think there has been a, but I will take the air up. Okay, but it's supposed to be a retracement candle, but because there is a retracement, but I think there would not be a retracement candle. But this is a 50 risk, but I take a small amount. Okay, so I reach my limit. Okay, there has a, okay, okay, wait, okay, there is a up trend, but if I take this level, then I can surely win this trade. Okay, because let me explain. 10 line. Okay, look at the trend line. So if I can trade there, then I can surely win this trade, but I take it marginally if I lose. Okay, no problem. So there is a retracement candle. I was thought that there is one, but I was thought that there is no retracement, but there is a retracement. Okay, but no problem. I'll take there to their martingale. Okay, but in binary trading you have to take this MTZ. Okay, because it's OTC market. Okay, this is good trade line. Okay, so let's see what the result. So I'll take that to date. One, two. Okay, take there, and I also here material martingale, another five. Okay, okay. No problem. This is the happen because I was thought there is don't be retracement, but there is retracement, but sometimes it happen. But no problem, it will she'll be win. Okay, and this also be win because this candle should be up. Okay, but there is a plus minus candle, so this channel will be up because in binary trading there is always be a plus minus candle. Okay, because the broker wants to lose your money. Okay, your analysis is okay. Look at my analysis is okay. Okay, but this analysis is not okay. It was 50-50, but this my perfect analyze. Okay, if I analyze, but the broker there is making small candle, and if you are think that if you are wrong, so you won't be take, but you lose your $5. But I know that my analysis is okay. This is why I take a martingale and I win. So you make a good decision. If you are right, then you will take a martingale on it. Okay, so just you should be perfect in analyze, then you can trade a martingale. Okay, if you don't you will take a without any knowledge, you take a trade and then you take a martingale. But this is not okay. You should be right on your analyze. Okay, then you take a martingale. Okay, look at, so there has been a fluctuation, but no problem, this could be happen. Okay, so look at how weak this candle is. Look at this two candle. So if you like that, there will analysis okay, but then also there is a lose you. They look at, okay, wait, look at this candle. How this is, look at, okay, how weak this make this. Okay, but I take, look at this. This is the bad market. But this is the my last trade. If I lose this today, then I will stop today because today market is not okay. It's not okay. It's abnormal market. Okay. So look at, all are going to my opposite. Okay. Oh man, I take. Oh, this is the reason I lose. I take 1 minute. Oh, this is my guilty. This is the reason when I make a video, I take wrong. Okay, look at my channel is not still running, but I take 1 minute. Oh, okay. I take a huge dollars. I keep dollars to trade. Then I stop today. Okay. Okay. See. So this is my guilty, but no problem. I take that up. Okay, because this channel would not be big. Wait. I should be because I make a gulti. Okay, I make a gulti during video because I take 1 minute. Okay, so I take there 30 seconds. If I win, then I will I almost recover my some losses. Okay, okay, wait. This is the reason when I make video I take a small amount. Okay, I also take there $15. Okay, so I win this trade. Look at. Okay, okay, okay. This also goes up. This will be my last state. If I win both state, then I'll stop today because today market is not okay, as you see. Okay, but if I lose once, then I'll try to recover my losses. Okay, look at take the marginal safety. So I think it also will win. Okay, wait. So this is the reason when you see the market is not okay, then you should stop that day. Okay, so you guys, as you can see, this OTC market is not okay today, so I have to stop today. If I continue trading, then I lose my money because market is not going up rightly, it's going wrong. Okay, so I should be stopped today. Okay, wait for a second. What's going on? Okay, okay, this I think I take a minor safety, so I should be win this trade. Okay, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Okay, let's see. Okay, if yes, I should be okay, martingale, up. Okay, martingale. So I win one trade and lose one. Okay, but I take a martingale. Okay, wait. Because this candle, but there has been also risks, I think, because okay, just wait. Okay, try to take less amount. Okay, $20. Okay, wait. Should be up, but there is no martingale safety. Wait. Okay, so market is not okay today. Okay, market is not okay today. This is the why I should be stopped today. This is my last. If I win, then I will stop today. Okay, because market is very bad market today. Okay, okay, this candle should be down, but if I take this, then I'll take it. If this candle, okay, once, two, but I'll take. This guy should be down, but if I take this level, then I can surely win this trade. Okay, but because I lose, so this is why I take a risk. Okay. So I continue to trade. One is a $100, there is a $20. So this is the reason. So this is gonna be my last trade. I won't trade today because I almost recover my loss and make a good revenue today. So that's all. I think this. Okay, I want to trade. Okay, I want to trade. So I want to trade. Should I stop? Though I know I am making good money, but I know don't take any risks because I almost make good revenue today. So thank you those who are watching this video. I think you look at this market, very bad market. So I can manage my recover my losses and making good revenue today. So see you next video. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and have a like my video. And if you have any question, comment it below. Okay, so thank you. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.